In this video, we are going to explore total cost of ownership calculator. All right, to get to the TCO calculator, just try to search total cost of ownership calculator in Google and you will land up on this particular page. I think Googling is better because it might be the case that these URLs are different in your regions actually. As I see like a EN, EU or some country specific. That is why I'm suggesting you to just basically do the search in the Google and then you would land up on this particular page. Okay, that's the intention. Once you are on the page, again sign in so that you can save the reports, just like we saw with Azure pricing calculator. I am already logged in, and this is where you can start inputting the information. Actually, let's say this one, define your workload, enter the details of your on-premise server infrastructure. Let's enter. Let's say we got is something like a Windows Linux server. Let's say we got 10 servers, something like that, right? Add a server workload, not like this. Okay, so let's say server workload 1. You got a 10 server, you have maybe CPU. Let's say you got like a 256 of RAM total, and you got like a maybe 24 CPUs, like that. That's it. Let's take that one as an example. Then you got a database. You can also select MySQL server, enterprise, physical server, Windows, data center servers. Let's say you got 3 servers here. Let's say you got 2 of them, cores per, let's say 2 of them. Here also you can say 256 GPU, right? You can also select this guy as well there. Let's see, just for the calculation, I'm trying to get the details here. Backup maybe 100, like 1000. SQL server storage, let's say 100 GB. Cores, we can say 16. General purpose, something like that. Okay, and then networking outbound, that's basically the GB. So let's say 10 GB just for the calculation. Region doesn't matter, we just want example. Please enter the information for your on-premise storage infrastructure. Let's go ahead and do that. So that's basically the database one, storage one. Let's make sure that we got a capacity of like 100 terabyte, not 100 terabyte, that's too much. 10 terabyte backup. Let's say we got 10 terabyte, and archive we got like a 10 terabyte. And then we go to the next one, and we select USD. That's fine. I think electricity cost, this is how you add all those like indirect cost. This is there. Let's leave it like that for the purpose. We can add a lot of details here from the hardware cost perspective. You can see that let's keep everything as it is for the time being. We just want to see how does it calculates, nothing more than that. Now see, over 5 years with Microsoft Azure, your estimated cost saving would be as this much, based on whatever that we supplied as an input to the calculator. This is how you can basically get the kind of idea, right? Which is ultimately, I think, very good when you start thinking about migrating to Azure. This is over 5 years, I think, because that is what we select, but you can narrow it down. 1 year, not much. 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and that was 5 years, right? So actually, if you look at 1 year cost saving is pretty huge, right? For that one. But it's, yeah, this is how you can use the TCO calculator for doing the assessment, right? On-premise infrastructure assessment, if you moving and migrating that workload to the Azure, right? It's very useful. Okay, that's all pretty much about this particular TCO.